Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add products to Shopify from Printify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on Add Apps. Now, click on the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, tap Printify and click on it when it shows up. Next, click on Install and then click Install again to confirm. Once the app is installed, click on Sign Up from the bottom right corner of the Printify page. Now, select your Google account and click on Continue. You'll be asked a few questions to set up your account. Select what you're trying to achieve, like starting a new business or growing an existing one. Then, select where you are currently selling your products, like Shopify, Etsy, or not selling yet. After that, answer the question about what best describes you, whether you're just starting, a business owner, designer, or something else. Next, you'll be asked if you have experience selling print-on-demand or POD products. Choose yes or no. Now, choose your revenue range from POD sales in the last 6 months. Just select the option that fits your best. Then, choose a country where you want to sell. You can also check the box if you want to sell globally. Click on Next. Now, choose how you heard about Printify and then click Complete. To connect Printify to your Shopify store, click on Connect My Store. Then again, click Connect to Shopify. Click Continue when the pop-up appears. Now, select a Printify store if prompted and click Continue. If you haven't added your store yet, you'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. To find it, go back to Shopify and click on Online Store on the left side. Then, click on View Your Store and copy the URL from the address bar. Now, return to Printify and paste the URL in the box, then click Connect. Once your store is connected, click on Create Product. Now, choose a product category like T-shirt, mugs, or phone cases. Click on Start Designing, upload your design, and customize the product. That's it, your product will now be synced and ready to sell on your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.